Hello, welcome back. Cryptocurrency market. Right now we're looking at the Ethereum daily chart, and in our quest to try to determine the potential end for this downside correction phase that's been taking place for the past 7 months, we are exploring different leading coins, mostly the Bitcoin and the Litecoin. But here I want to throw you the Ethereum because I believe it actually points exactly to the same conclusion, which means the market did not say that, didn't say its last word with regards to this bearish market. And the technical picture here is quite fascinating. First, I would like to point out a simple observation. You can see this level right here, this red dotted line, sits at 312. Now that level is the 76.4 Fibonacci correction, last level of correction for the whole upside move, the whole upside trend all the way to 14,000. Right now, that level had not been reached yet. Right, that level had not been reached yet. I mean, obviously, price came close, but it missed. It missed that level by a few good points. So that's one. Right, I actually expect price to to fulfill the potential on the downside. The full capacity would mean hitting that level. Now let me show you even more powerful indication that we are heading downwards and probably below the previous low we had here. And I'm referring to this particular level. Take a look at this one, 471, the mid-low level on that symmetric setup. Now, from the daily perspective here, we can see that price, after creating that second leg here, right, broke below that 471, but then tried to come back. And when it did, it seemingly succeeded, right? Closed a little bit above that level, but quickly pulled off and based itself below. Now, from the daily chart, you can't really say anything important about this particular movement. But let me take you to the monthly chart. This something really fascinating is developing there with regards to this particular level. Take a look again, 471, right? So I'm going to take you to the monthly chart now, and this is very powerful stuff. We had the first close right here. That was the last month, right? Below that 471 level, still that same level. And this current month was starting pretty strong on the upside, right? And take a look how it looks like right now, leaving that suspicious spike there right on that spot and beginning to turn red. So this was a powerful level. 471 was a very important resistance, and you can see that it's actually prevailing right now, sending price probably, like I said, to the previous low, and even lower than that, right? All the way to the 76.4, which I suggested at 313, and that pretty much fits the rest of the technical pictures we got with the other leading coins such as the Bitcoin and the Litecoin. So there you go. Pretty much bearish still on the Ethereum. It's I do believe that's that's probably the last kind of downside thrust that we're gonna see, and we're probably gonna see prices that we will never see again. So really good opportunities are starting to emerge. I would suggest to wait a little bit longer on the sideline to wait for exceptional prices that we will be able to pick up. So there you go, Ethereum, bearish outlook. See you on the next video. Bye bye.